September 24th, 6 p.m. Oh. That one's a fail.
That one failed. First one was good.
There's still mad under there.
Is it? Oh, yeah, the mat did transfer actually.
That's I wouldn't even do it. No, just leave it. It's not going anywhere. It's already broken.
Yeah. Well, I have to show them here.
Get the cool.
Yeah, see, this is a fail here.
Get that corner out so we can show the bottom.
So this is going to be a fail. I just want to show them here in this. If you can see this.
Yeah.
This isn't transferring correctly, and then this tore already right here. I just want to try to show. The rest is coming. This one failed right here.
Oh, it did under here too. You got it all under there.
Yeah. Okay, so this is all I should need is this fail right here.